trying cold-cocking this guy when I bring him out.
What?
You heard me. I grabbed the guy in my dream. You see me struggling, so you wake me up. We both come out, you whack the fucker, and we got him.
Are you crazy? Hit him with what?
You're the dog. You're the baseball bat or something. Just meet me at my porch midnight. Or meanwhile.
Meanwhile?
Whatever you do, don't fall asleep.